how to download Unity. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, let's just open up our web browser and then just search up for Unity. And after that, we'll be redirected here. So let's just click on the first link that will pop up. And then after that, what we want to do from here is just go to plans and pricing over here. And then after that, just choose the kind of Unity that you want to download. So they have different kinds of plans right here. So they have Unity for students, Unity for personal use, Unity Pro, Unity Enterprise, Unity Education Grant License, and Unity Educator. So feel free to choose on which Unity you're gonna download. So yeah, so for me, I'll just download the Unity Personal right there. So get started with the free version of Unity for any creator looking to bring their idea to life. So the latest version of the Unity editor, so educational resources for getting started and customizable splash screen. So yeah, so I'll just click on download now right there. And after that, I'll just click on download again. And then there you go. So after that, all we have to do now is to just wait for the Unity download to finish. So yeah, so once it's done, just open up the installer or for the setup. There you go. So just click on yes. And after that, you'll be redirected here. So just simply click on I agree. After that, just choose your destination folder for Unity. There you go. And then once you've chosen the destination folder for your Unity, just simply click on install. And after that, just wait for the installation to finish. And then there you go. So there you go. It's now done. So completing Unity Hub setup. So Unity Hub has been installed on your computer. So yeah, so after that, just simply click on finish. And after that, Unity will now start to open. And then there you go. Unity is now open. So what you need to do from here is to just simply sign in if you have an account or create one if you don't have one. And after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to download Unity.